I'm here today to talk about something that might sound a bit daunting but is super important for all of us: controlling cholesterol. Now I know, just hearing the word cholesterol can make some of us cringe, right? But stick with me, because understanding this can really change the game for your health. So what is cholesterol? It's a waxy substance found in your blood, necessary for building cells. But too much of it. That's where problems can arise, leading to heart disease and other serious conditions. But fear not, managing cholesterol levels isn't just possible, it can be straightforward with the right approach. First things first, let's talk diet. It plays a huge role. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, these should be your best friends. And those fatty meats and full-fat dairy products, try to keep them to a minimum. Instead, why not go for healthier fats like those found in fish, nuts, and avocados? Next up, exercise. Yes, moving your body can help improve cholesterol levels dramatically. Whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a dance class, getting your heart rate up regularly is key. And here's something not everyone talks about: stress management. High stress can negatively affect your cholesterol levels. So, techniques like meditation, yoga, or just doing activities you love can help keep your stress in check and your cholesterol levels healthy. Now don't forget, regular checkups with your doctor are crucial. They can help monitor your cholesterol levels and recommend changes tailored specifically for you. So let's recap. Eat right, move more, manage your stress, and keep in touch with your healthcare provider. Simple, right? By taking these steps, not only can you control your cholesterol, but you'll also be paving the way towards a healthier, happier life. Remember, the power to control your health is in your hands. Let's make those small changes that can bring big improvements. Stay healthy and see you next time.